Brian DiMambro. We're looking now at a very scarce and large mid-19th century map of the state of New Hampshire. It's interesting for several reasons. One is the enormous size of it, and the imprint is by J.R. Dodge of Nashua, New Hampshire. It's lithographed. It has beautiful, vivid, original hand color. It is very decorative with 4 vignette views in the corners, which are views of Nashua, the Portsmouth Navy Yard, Manchester, and the Concord State House. It retains its original cloth, blind-stamped folder, and the map, as you can see, remains mostly clean. There is a split here due to the weight of the covers against the thin bond paper, where it's split here, and there's this tiny small stain at the lower left blank area. The map remains structurally sound and in good condition. There are some careful, neat rice or tissue paper repairs at some fold line intersections on the reverse, but the map still folds as issued rather nicely into the original covers, which are gilt lettered, and we'll fold it up like so. This is how we'll ship it. It's how we acquired it, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.